This is a short guide on how to get a toggle mute in any game or app using AutoPTT. If the game or app supports open mic or voice activation, you can get a toggle mute by setting the activation mode in AutoPTT to push to talk and then setting a hotkey for toggle mute global. Pressing the hotkey once will mute the mic system-wide and pressing it again will unmute it. If the game or app supports push to talk, you can get a toggle mute that is not system-wide by setting the activation mode to voice activity and then adjusting the activation threshold so that it turns green when you speak. Then set the push to talk key to the one you use in your game or app, and finally set a hotkey to mode ptt/voice. Voice activity is essentially a smart open mic where AutoPTT presses and releases the push-to-talk key for you, while in the push-to-talk mode, that is left up to you, and assuming you don't press the key yourself, switching between these two modes gives you a toggle mute over a push-to-talk.